Everyone, so just now we completed one basic lab. If you remember, in CISCO Packet Tracer, what we done, we make the communication between two computer are connected directly, and we assign the IP and it is working perfectly. Now imagine if you have more than two computers, then how you will connect. Example, if you see here, I will take one more computer here and one more computer here. Imagine I need to connect this computer also. So how I can connect like this? You cannot connect. You will get the error, cable cannot be connected to that port. Then what is the solution? What we can do? Okay, you cannot connect. So what is the solution? What we can do? The solution is, if you have more than two computer, then you need to use the switch. Click here and you can see this is the router and this is a switch. So click here and just drag and drop here. Okay, this is switch. We are using the model 2960. You can click here and rename. If you want, rename this one. I can give the name as a SW1. After that, you can cut this cable. You have this cable, right? How you can cut? Here you have cutter. You can take this cutter and cut here, and then if you want to remove this cutter, press escape key from the keyboard. Now click the cable and you can use this automatic cable. Click this, click to the PC and to the switch. Same thing, click to the PC and to the switch. Same thing, click PC to the switch, PC to the switch. So this way you connected. Already in our previous video we assigned the IP to these two machines. So now we are going to assign to this one. So this is a label. Just I am putting here label 192.168.1.2 already we use, so I am using 3. Okay, and in this machine we are going to use 192.168.1.4/24. This is just label. I put label here. This is nothing but label only. If you see, this is just label I keep here. We need to assign to the machine also. So click here, click the desktop, click the IP config. Let me repeat again. See here where I am going. Click this icon, click IP config, click here, assign the IP. What IP you need to give? This one. So you can type 192.168.1.3 and press tab key from your keyboard. Automatically subnet mask will come. This is a class C subnet mask. Cancel and go here. Click again here, click desktop, click IP config, click here and write 192.168.1.4 and press tab key. Automatically IP will come, and cancel. That's all. You assign the IP here. Okay, and you connected more than two computers with the help of switch. Now what configuration you need to do here? Currently no need to do any configuration. If you want to see, if you want to access this switch, just click this. You will have this switch physical view, how physical it look. You can see physically it look like this. If you want to configure, click the CLI. So this is a CLI, command line interface. That is a console. This is a console of this switch. This is a manageable switch, so you can manage and you can do the configuration. In CISCO Packet Tracer, when you click, you have this option and you can click CLI. But in real scenario, you will use this console cable. If you want to access the switch, click this to the console port and then you can connect this to your console, the RS32 port of your computer. Then go here, go to terminal, and in the terminal, in the real, we will use the PuTTY software. Here we are using terminal. Click OK. You can access the switch. This way you will access the switch in the real world. But here in the Packet Tracer, if you click, you have CLI. Click that CLI so you can access the console. Okay, here I am accessing the console. You can access the console here this way. Okay, and anyhow we assign the IP here, right? We assign the IP so we can ping and check. So I can click here, I can go here and press the up arrow. Whatever commands before we write, same command will come here. Now you can put 1.3 and check. 1.3. See, reply is coming. And press up arrow and write 1.4. Reply is coming. I am here in this PC, I am pinging this PC, I am pinging this PC. Reply is coming. If you want to go to this computer, go and click command prompt and go here and write ping and write the machine 192.168.1.1 and check. Reply is coming. Okay, so I am here in the PC 3, I am communicating with the PC 1. I can do from PC 3 to PC 1. If you see, it is working. I am in the PC 3, I am pinging the PC 2. So it is working. Everything is working perfectly. If you want to check here in the switch, click here. Okay, and you can see we are here in the CLI. And you can see this is the switch. By default, you have the name as a switch. And you are in the user privilege mode. So you will write enable to go to the privilege mode. You are in the, you can write disable here. So you will go back here. If you write enable, you will go in the privilege mode. Then you will write config T to go to the global configuration mode. If you want to exit, write end to come out again. You are in the privilege mode. Okay, privilege mode, and you can write exit. You will go out here. What we are saying, when you click here, let me show you again. Okay, when you take this one CLI, and when you see here, when you have like this, you can say this is a user mode. Okay, this is a user mode, user execution mode. If you want to move from this mode to another mode, you will write enable, press enter, you will go in the privilege mode. You can run the show command here. This is a command I am using, show IP interface brief, to check the interface status here. What is the status of this interface? This 4 interface is up. Okay, and what you can say, if you want to go to the global configuration mode, you can write config T and you are inside the global configuration mode. Why you will go in the global configuration mode? If you want to do any configuration. Example, by default this switch name is switch. Example, if you want to change this name to SW1, then you need to write here host name and give the new name here what you want to give. So I write here SW1, and now you can check, you can write here, and when I write here host name is SW1, you can see when I press enter, name change. So this way we can change the name of the switch also. And if you want to check the configuration, you can write show run and press enter. You can see the configuration, whatever configuration we have in this router. Okay, so this is basic what we learn here. In this one we learn how we can connect more than 2 computers. If we have more than 2 computers, how we can connect? We can use switch to connect more than 2 computers. Okay, if you have any doubt, write in the comments. Thank you. Bye.